Hi everybody, Rick McEvoy here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rick McEvoy Photography. I'm Rick, of course I am, who else would I be? This week on my photography blog I am talking about the blog post titled, turn to the right, My Photography Business Plan for 2019, How Did It Go? I just thought it was worth spending 10 minutes talking about, well, it might not be 10, so don't worry. Spending a little bit of time and looking at my plan for 2019 and seeing what worked and what didn't, and the logical thing that comes out of this will be next week's blog post, which will be about what I am going to do next year. The main focus and the main point that comes out of this and my main conclusion is that I need to do less, more targeted, more specific, more niche in my very small and select target areas. I've been niching down for some time now. Just scroll down the post a bit. In terms of my commercial photography work, I photograph buildings and buildings in nice places, and that's it, and that should be my strap line. I also photograph the nice places, but there's less money in that. Basically, architectural photography is my day job. That's how I make money, taking photographs, and that will continue. This year things have gone pretty well. I've introduced Micro Four Thirds cameras and given them a go and got great results, so that's all good. So photographing buildings, I need to focus more on that and make that clearer on my website. The other things that I do are travel photography and landscape photography. The travel photography sits nicely on my other websites, Paxos Travel Guide and Photos of Santorini, and that's where much of my behind the scenes, if you like, work has been spent on certainly Paxos Travel Guide, which is now a fully populated website. I've got a load more stuff to throw on there in the new year. Say throw, that sounds rather casual, doesn't it? I have got a list of new posts that I need to create and publish on my website. Photos of Santorini is a bit of a not sure what to do with it, sat in the background, needs some more thought, care and attention. Rick McEvoy Photography needs, well, I'm in the middle of moving from Squarespace to WordPress. I will write a long post about this, but I have to be honest with you, it's causing me a bit of trouble at the moment getting all the blog posts over. I'm up to, check my post-it note, 507 blog posts on my 10th import into WordPress from Squarespace, but that's work in progress. I'm hoping in the new year that my website will actually be on Squarespace, off Squarespace and on WordPress, using a super quick theme which will help me with my Google rankings and the user experience, especially mobile users, because Squarespace isn't really fast enough. Okay, so what else have I written about? Oh yeah, I've had a big play with sky replacement and written quite a lot about it, which you can read on my photography blog now that Luminar 4 has been released. Most of my work, well, all my work is done in Lightroom. I then play around with stuff in Luminar and I've been loving that, so check it out, Luminar 4. It's not dear either. So I've got my 3 websites. Oh yeah, the other news is that 2 of my websites have been accepted by Ezoic to have ads placed on them, which means that my websites will finally make some money. This has been my long-term goal for a long time. All the work, all the content I've created has been building up to this point, and I've just got there, which is very, very exciting. I'm currently working with Ezoic on this at the moment, and in the new year ads will be appearing on my WordPress websites, which are at the moment super quick. What else have we got? My photography blog. This is the cornerstone of my internet presence. Since October of last year, I've been producing a weekly blog post, just like the one I'm talking about today. Before that, I used to produce daily blog posts, which I have now realised were nothing more than daily rubbish. That's gone. Weekly posts, longer, higher quality, more interest to people. That's the future, and that's the cornerstone of my internet marketing strategy. This will apply to my other websites as well. What else have we got? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you enter an arrangement with a supplier, you get a link on your website, you write about something, somebody reads it, thinks, wouldn't mind buying that, clicks on your affiliate link, buys it, you get commission. That's it. I'm an affiliate for quite a few companies, but the most successful one is Skylum, which is the one that I've written the most about, which is actual software that I actually use. I'm an affiliate for Canon, TUI. Well, we do holiday a lot, so why not? Let's get the list up. The list isn't there, let's not. Peak Design, I use their bags. DJI, I use their Osmo Mobile 3. And Adobe, that's the one I need to work on. I'm only an affiliate for products and services and things that I use. I want to be genuine. I'll finish off with obviously the photo of me. It's all about me, isn't it? And why not? What's gone well? Well, getting the ads on the websites, the increase in website traffic, the quality of the architectural photography work I'm doing, the repeat business, the speed and efficiency at which I'm working. These are all good things. Bad things, I took on work which I couldn't really do, which was far too far away, so that's an annoyance which I have learned from. And I get lots of local inquiries for small jobs which I can never seem to manage to fit in. Apart from that, all good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rick McEvoy Photography. Please subscribe to my blog, rickmcavoyphotography.com/blog. And I'll see you next week where I'm going to talk about what I'm going to do next year. One more thing. Next year I'm going to work out how to get rid of this bit where I have to press stop on my iPhone at the end of the post. Bye for now.